Alright guys, we got some totes here. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them. Me and Taylor went and got them last night. This is a 24-foot trailer, basically like a snowmobile trailer. We use them at my work to haul porta pots on. But yeah, we could get 14 on here, and there was about, I'd say maybe 6 inches left on the back to the edge of the trailer. But as you can see, I'm pretty sure I got those 4 sold. I only really wanted 10. But I've been working here a little bit. I've been pulling these totes out of the metal things. Now these ain't the real tall ones. These are a little bit above waist high, which my waist is like 3 foot, so they're probably 4 foot. But they make 330 gallon ones that are even taller yet. They're real tall. But these will work because my skid steers, it probably wouldn't be able to pick them up full wood, which is what I'm gonna do. You can see I already got 2 down there. But yeah, I'm gonna pull all these cages out, or the plastic pieces out. This one I was experimenting a little bit with. I think I'm gonna paint them black, at least the outside, because I'm gonna set them up in the woods. And then that way, they won't be as noticeable. They'll blend in a little better. But then is what I wanna do is, I'm gonna cut these tanks in half, and they'll make like an A-frame down over each cage. And I'll only have to cut 7 tanks because you can use, this part for one, this part for the other. That way I still have 7 tanks in case I ever need to haul water in these totes or haul the liquid in these totes. Plus I'm gonna keep the one tote. I actually have 11 here. This one right here, it has a valve on it. But I'm gonna use it and just keep it with water. Obviously not over winter, but if I ever need water for whatever reason during the summer, I'll have it. Here in the fall, brush fire or something, I always have 275 gallon worth of water ready to be put into a tank or whatever in an instant, pretty much. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm kind of wary. I've been seeing people like cut out sections. They'll cut a piece out. I'm kind of weary about that because I don't know how well they'll stand up. But I do see with these are a little different. This side has a big wider part compared to there. So I might actually cut these. Just cut this, just so you can get your hands in there. And I usually just climb inside and throw the wood out. I'll show you my little setup. I still gotta move some things around and fine tune it. But originally, I was splitting back air and then throwing them in here between these logs and then scooping them up with a skid steer and taking it to the house. But now with these totes, I think I'm gonna get rid of these logs, and then I can just encircle my splitter with these totes. Now what I got is I got all my wood long length down there stacked up, and I can bring it up here. I can't really tell unless we get close here, but I got a log air, and there running this way. I can stack them logs this way with the skid steer, and then I cut them up like here, and then I can pull this middle piece out, lay it like here, like stick it kind of down beside this one and block the driveway. So then when I get behind here with the skid steer and push all that wood out, it doesn't roll down the driveway down, because that goes straight to the road. And then I can come in here and push it over and up on my pile, and take it off the pile, put it on the splitter, fill totes, and then stack my totes, wherever I'm gonna put them. And then as I need, because our wood stove's in the basement, so we usually stack wood in the basement. says I need down there, I can just go grab, I think 2 fills up the steps from the outside down into the basement. So I can grab 2. 2 will sit right in front of the steps. I'll show you. But 2 will set there perfectly, not take up a whole lot of room. I used to pull my one single axle trailer over and set right there, and then just dump wood on it, but it always hung out in the driveway and it was a pain. But 2 will set, like, they won't sit wideways this way, but if you, because the totes are rectangles, so one will sit here and one will sit here, and just be able to throw the wood right down the basement. I got this barrel for free. I'm gonna take it downstairs and put all my little billets and kindling and stuff like that in it. I get a piece of cardboard and put down there so stuff don't fall through them 2 holes. But I should have cut the top of it off, but the bottom had holes in it too. And if I could ever find plugs, I'd still have a barrel that I could use to hold water or whatever. But yeah, that's the plan. The 6.7 did pretty good. I mean, they don't weigh a whole lot, but this trailer, you got to be careful pulling it, because it's, you got to swing wide, but you got to watch your tail swing, because it, so you can't really get way over to swing wide. You got to kind of hit the middle of your turn. But yeah, I think they were sitting probably about like right there. There's about that much room left. But yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna paint them all black like that. That way they kind of don't stick out. And I'll probably end up painting the totes that I cut black too. But that's the plan. Maybe I'll give you some updates as things go along. But I gotta deliver these 4 here this morning yet. But thanks for watching. Maybe I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe I'll do like a time lapse of the whole process sometime. Thanks for watching.